see if the birds come out, y'all. Oh, I got some birds right there.
Birds.
They just flew by.